Hello, and welcome to Inspiration Zone. Friends, we all know about Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza was started by a poor boy 63 years ago. In this video, you will learn about the story behind the creation of Domino's Pizza. Friends, this is a story of 1937, when a couple used to live in Ann Arbor, a city in America. This year, a boy was born in their family. His name was Thomas Monaghan. This boy was later known as Tom Monaghan. Tom's father was a truck driver and his mother was a nurse. 1 year later, another boy was born in this couple's house. His name was James Monaghan. When Tom was 4 years old, his father died of an illness. After his father's death, his financial situation started to deteriorate. Tom's mother was not able to raise her children properly. This woman had to hand over her 2 sons to an orphanage, and she herself started learning to be a nurse. For the next 8 years, these 2 brothers lived in an orphanage. In 1949, his mother got a good job in a hospital. Now this woman was able to take care of her children. This is how Tom and James started living with their mother again. Friends, in 1956, when Tom was 19 years old, he joined the American Army. This boy stayed in the Army for 4 years, but for some reason, he had to leave this job in 1959. He had no job. This boy wanted to become an architect. That's why he joined the University of Michigan. To cover his education expenses, he was looking for a job. His younger brother advised him to start a business. Friends, this is a story of 1960. When a man wanted to sell his pizza shop in this city, the owner of this pizza shop was Dominic Duarte. This pizza shop was running under the name of Dominic Pizza. Tom borrowed $900 from his brother James and bought this pizza shop on installment. Tom wanted this pizza shop to run under the same name, but Dominic didn't like this. This man wanted Tom not to use his name for this pizza shop. Friends, Tom was running this pizza shop along with his studies. This was the reason that he was not able to give this business much time. His younger brother James was also not interested in this business. That's why Tom left his studies. And he started managing this pizza shop. Now Tom thought that the name of this pizza shop should be changed. One of his employees advised him to change the name of this pizza shop to Domino's. Tom liked this name very much. That's why he registered this name. Now this restaurant started running under the name of Domino's Pizza. As time passed, the demand for Domino's Pizza started increasing. Now this business was running more than Tom thought, friends. Tom got so much profit till 1965 that he opened 3 more restaurants. The 3 dots on the Domino's logo reveals these 3 restaurants. After 2 more years, Domino's opened 200 branches in America. Tom kept on making his pizza brand better and better. In 1983, Domino's Pizza's first international branch was opened in Canada. Friends, this pizza brand was being liked outside of America. The journey of Domino's success did not stop here. In 1989, Domino's had 5,000 restaurants all over the world. This was a huge success for Tom. From 1990 to 1997, Tom had made Domino's Pizza reach every corner of the world. Friends, Tom was 61 years old in 1998. The hard work of 38 years had made him a billionaire. This business, which started from a shop, had become a company. This year, Tom announced his retirement. He sold 93% of Domino's Pizza's shares for $1 billion. Domino's Pizza was bought by a company called Bain Capital. This pizza brand is still working under this company. Today, Domino's Pizza has 20,000 restaurants all over the world. After this, Tom Monaghan started taking interest in welfare. Friends, this man is living a peaceful life at the age of 86.